18 BC 1. In this video, we are going to perform an attack which is basically forwarding unvalidated redirects and forwards. The tool which we are going to use is Burpsuite. This is basically kind of a phishing scam which we are going to perform, and let's get into it. So the vulnerable website on which we are going to perform is the XVWA, which we have set up in our VMware Ubuntu based OS. And so this is the page. In this page, what we have is basically it is giving us links to the OWASP site and a web application security consortium site. So what we are going to do is we are going to first intercept the request, and then we are going to direct the user to whichever page we like. We often do this in Burpsuite. So the first thing you need to do is turn on intercept. Set up the proxy. This is the proxy configuration. Set it to manual proxy configuration, port 8080, because we are using Burpsuite on port 8080, and go on Burpsuite proxy intercept on. This is the configuration for Burpsuite. Now we'll click the link. So it will try to forward us to the website, which is the OWASP site. Now what we are going to do instead is we are going to go to the VIT site. I'd already saved the URL for the VIT site, so just to show proof of concept, we are going to go to the site and we will have to forward. And so the VIT site is loading. Now while we forwarded, we actually forward this as well, but we'll go back. Turn off the intercept one second. Yeah, so this is the original page, this is the VIT page. We copied this URL in the first place, and we'll turn on intercept again. And now it is trying to redirect us to this OWASP site, which will go later on, but let's just demonstrate the point of the video. And now we are going to forward it to the VIT site, and we'll turn off the intercept once we are there. And as we can see, the user, while he was trying to go, instead of going to the OWASP site, he's going to the VIT site. And if the intercept is off and we haven't changed anything, now it is giving us a security warning. The reason is we are using a proxy. Most secure sites will use a proxy protection mechanism. VIT website does not have this. To avoid this, we are simply going to turn off the proxy for 1 second. We are having some issue. Okay. And now we turned off the proxy, and now we are directly being directed to the OWASP site. This is the site which the user should have received, but instead of that, we had directed him to the VIT site. And this is what would usually happen is the site to which we will direct would probably look like this: OWASPP, and there would be one spelling mistake over here, one spelling mistake over here, a login page, and the user would enter login details, and we would have access to the login details, and we would be able to tamper with the user's data. Since the user does not know who he is sending the information to, there is data integrity is being data confidentiality is being compromised, and since we can manipulate the data integrity is also being compromised. Hence, we have successfully performed unverified URL redirects using Burpsuite. Thank you.